I'm glad you're here where the flags will always fly. Karen Matthews Hopkins. Married to Howard, 15 years, yes. She died on our anniversary. I'll miss you this Thanksgiving Day, the first holiday where you won't be there.
This is our second annual Veterans Day event here at Felsfield.
Our nation has reminded and remained a land of the free because of the brave.
Our veterans are a perpetual American honor guard. They are the salt of the earth.
And I thought, I am going to bring that taps here for Howard. It's the original long version. One day I'll be beside you.